Welcome to this lesson where we will make our navigation respond to the way users are scrolling. So let's head to our script file and place this document lm variable, and on scroll let's detect when the user scrolls the page. We'll fire a function. Inside of this function, first of all, let's place a variable current scroll top, and it will be equal to this, which refers to document right here, this dot scroll top. And what this basically says is, and saves to a variable, is how much you have scrolled from the top. So if you, for example, I scroll 100 pixels from the top, then this variable will be equal to 100. Then we will have this little condition, and it will check if current scroll top is greater than last scroll top. If it is true, then target nav, and we're going to add that class that we created in our CSS, which is called hidden. Else, if it is not, then we're going to remove this class. Remove the class. Name of the class is hidden. Save it, and lastly we'll set last scroll top equal to current scroll top, and save it, and we can have a look at it in our browser. Refresh our browser, scroll down. As you can see, our navigation slides up, and once we scroll up, it again reveals itself. And let me shortly explain you what we're doing here. So first of all, imagine we are at the top of the page and we haven't scrolled yet. We scroll 200 pixels down, so this current scroll top is equal to 200, and the last scroll top is equal to 0 because we set it to 0 here. So it checks here if current scroll top is greater than last scroll top. In our example, yes, 200 is greater than 0. Then it adds the class of hidden, which in turn hides this navigation. As you can see, it hides navigation, and here the last scroll top is set equal to current scroll top, so it isn't 0 anymore, it's 200. Now, for example, user from these 200 pixels scrolls up by 100 pixels, so the last scroll top is 200. The current scroll top now is 100 because we scrolled 100 pixels up, and it checks if current scroll top is greater than the last scroll top. It isn't, because in our example this is 100 and this is 200, and then it doesn't fire this one, it fires this right here condition, and it removes the class of hidden, which again reveals this navigation. And let's place a comment here before this one, and this will be called nav toggle. And that will be it for this lesson. In the next lesson we will continue placing in functions for our JavaScript. See you there.